Hello, my name is Dr. Kate Schacherl. I'm a general dentist in Verona, Wisconsin, and a key opinion leader for Kerr. Dentistry is an art and a science. In restorative dentistry, the dentist is the art restorer entrusted with transforming each patient's mouth to a beautiful, healthful state with dentistry imperceptible to anyone other than the dentist and the patient. To do this, the dentist must select materials that are both strong and aesthetic, so that, like any good art restorer, their work will stand the test of time. This is where Kerr's Artisan materials really shine. The use of OptiBond Extra and Harmonize for my direct restorations, and OptiBond Extra and NX3 for my indirect restorations, allows me to provide my patients with exceptional aesthetic dentistry. The best part? The only people who know any work has been done are me and my patient.